And you put that in. Yeah, because the other one.
This is your copy.
Jason, I don't know if you want to give this to Caroline, and then if you all need a copy of it. Oh, okay. And on these,
Oh, yeah, she looks fine.
So I'm just gonna.
I'll get it. Yeah, if you just want to make one of them, you don't have to make it right now. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, and it's the.
oh, yes, come forward.
Oh, okay, yeah.
What, because I have like 3 emails on there. I don't know why they don't erase them, but it's the letter J dot. Area.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you, yes.
All right, thank you. You're welcome.
Appreciate it, Jude.
All right, Caitlin, I'm sorry, Kayla Rutten. All right.
Thank you.
Oh, and Council on this side. All right, we're gonna start with the new case and then we'll take up the motion to revoke. Court is gonna call 2023 CR 2208W, State of Texas versus Kaylin Rutten. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Powers for Miss Rutten.
And are you Ms. Rutten? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge. She has waived an indictment, but I had a chance to go over the new case police report with her.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Let me see, I'm missing a document. I don't have the waiver document. Did you do
There should be.
What are you looking for, Judge?
the waiver of indictment document?
I had to sign something additional, but I think I did.
Oh, yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
thank you. It was stuck to the discovery, yes. But I like, see, I'm keeping everybody on their toes. All right, Ms. Rutten, I'm going to show you what's entitled. Could everyone please whisper in the box? I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver of indictment, reading of information and rights on Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it? Did you understand you have a right to have this case taken before a grand jury? The grand jury will make a decision on whether or not to indict. Did you understand? Did you also understand your attorney has certain rights, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information to review everything and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial? Did you understand? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights on Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Next, I'm showing you what's entitled information. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense? Okay, you guys are too loud in the box. Did you understand you're charged with the offense of? Okay. Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign? Oh, just walk around.
Okay, yeah.
I mean, is your arm really that long?
I don't know.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention with a vehicle? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Rutten, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. I'm sorry, in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. This will run concurrent with cause number 2022 CR 3148. State will take in consideration nightmare number 700935. County Court 8, cause number 703219. There's to be restitution to the Leon Valley Police Department. Edmundo Vasquez, Vazquez, Camaria Flowers, Kamaria. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all this attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty or proceeding with sentencing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we just, you asked that you follow the recommendation from the state. She's ready to move forward with it, serve her time, take responsibility for her actions.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years in the prison, $1,500 fine, time in writing to run concurrent. This will be concurrent with 2022 CR 3148. Taking consideration night mag number 700935. County Court 8, cause number 703219. Restitution to the Leon Valley Police Department. Edmundo, Edmundo, Vasquez, Vazquez. And Camaria Flowers, Kamaria Flowers. Give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled trial court certification with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, next we're going to proceed. And cause number 2022 CR 3148. I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision, and First Amendment motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Kayla Ann Rutten who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 3148 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on September 13, 2022 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 4 in Durham County, Texas, the defendant Kayla Ann Rutten. The defendant there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed in the month of October 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
So we waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations, condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. Is adjudicate guilt and revoke the individual for probation, sentence to 180 days in the state jail facility.
All right, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. it
Are
is.
you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, please, Judge.
Probation, did she pay the restitution of $57? All right, I'm gonna order the restitution of $57. And that's for the laboratory testing. All right, you're asking me to follow this agreement? And you are waiving your right to appeal, correct? All right, the court will follow your agreement, grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 2208W. There should be restitution of $57 to the Bexar County Criminal Investigative Lab for drug testing. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. You need to do better. Otherwise, you're going to be back and forth at the jail and at the prison. Okay? All right, good luck.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
First, let me give you this. And yes, you're excused.
Okay.
Mr. Coates?
Okay. Yeah.
Coates.
There you go.
All right, are you all ready to proceed on Acosta?
Oh, okay, perfect. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I love cooking. All right, state and defense on Acosta.
Yes, sir.
These other cases, what are going to happen to those cases?
Well, that's
He's going to plead true to one of them, Your Honor. And then
Will you guys seeing the one he pleads true to, Your Honor, and the rest, depending on the resolution here, that's going.
All right, Mr. Acosta, come down. Court is calling 2021 CR 4194 and 2020 CR 5581, State of Texas versus Danny Acosta. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
David, please on behalf of the state, Your Honor.
Megan Enriquez and John Kings on behalf of Danny Acosta.
And are you Mr. Acosta? Mr. Acosta, and each of these cause numbers, I'm going to show you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke and revoke community supervision. And also First Amendment motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you the same Danny Acosta who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 5581 for the offense of evading arrest, detention, second or more on December 2nd, 2021 for a period of 10 years? Is that you? Are you the same Danny Acosta who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4194 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on December 2nd, 2021 for a period of 10 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. State, are you proceeding on the same allegation in each motion?
Your Honor, we are proceeding on the motion to enter adjudication of guilt on 2021 CR 4194.
The same motion, I mean, the same allegations?
And no, Your Honor, we're going to proceed on violation of condition number 1. In honor of all the.
Well, no. My question is, for each motion, are you doing the same violation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any objection to the state reading the allegations once and Mr. Cosa answering to both of those allegations in each of the motions?
No, Your Honor, no objection to that.
All right, so state, you may proceed.
Your Honor, the defendant violated condition number 1 on or about the 24th day of October 2022. In Bear County, Texas, the defendant Daniel committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance in violation of condition number 1.
All right, in each of the motions to revoke, how do you plead to that allegation?
True, ma'am.
State,
Your Honor, at this time, we'll waive the remainder of the allegations alleged in the motion to adjudicate.
any objections to the state's waivers?
No objection, Your Honor. That was our understanding.
All right, Mr. Acosta, did you understand by pleading true to violation condition number 1 and cause number 2020 CR? Just 1 second. 2021 CR 4191, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to that violation?
Due to my drug habit. Yes.
No. I want you to listen to my question. I only answer.
Oh, I'm sorry, true.
All right. That's okay. Then the court will find that true. And then in cause number. And cause number 2021 CR 4194. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1 and 2021 CR 4194?
Yes.
All right, then the court will find violation of condition number 1 true in that cause number. And I'm sorry, I think that I may have made a mistake. Just 1 second.
That means he has to get out of jail.
Okay.
Mistake pretty soon.
All right, and the other cause number is 2020 CR 5581.
So my apologies. Excuse me.
You understand that, and I just want the record, make sure the record is clear. In 2020 CR 5581, by pleading true, the court could find it true, grant the motion and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so in that cause number as well, the court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there an agreement?
No, Your Honor, there is no agreement.
All right, state and cause number 2020 CR 5581. What are you requesting?
Your Honor, we are requesting maximum Mailer 10 years TDC.
All right, and in cause number 2021 CR 4194, what are you requesting, state?
We're also requesting the maximum Your Honor 20 years TDC.
All right. Are there any witnesses for either side?
I'd like to call my client as a witness, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, if you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Daniel Costa,
Danny, how old are you?
38,
And where did you grow up?
here in Bear County,
What part of town?
the south side. Southern side.
And we're telling the judge, we're asking the judge to get you treatment, correct, for your substance abuse?
For my relapse.
Okay, we're gonna tell the judge about the substance abuse issues that you've been struggling with for years. What was the first time you used drugs? What age?
I was like 11.
11 years old? Okay. And have you used drugs on and off since you were 11 years old?
Repeated.
And have you ever been to any sort of inpatient treatment?
No, no.
Have you ever tried to address these issues?
Yes, I tried to ask help for help, but they kept getting me to prison. I guess it wasn't doing anything.
And what drugs have you been struggling with? What was the first drug you used when you were 11? Okay.
Heroin.
When you were 11 years old?
I started with heroin and I skipped marijuana.
Okay. So what, is it been heroin the whole time since you were 11 or other drugs as well?
Crack. Man. All of the above, really. I
So
started,
anything you can kind of get your hands on, you used?
my dad was in prison and my mom was working a job, so I stayed in the street.
Did you finish high school?
I got my GED.
And do you have children now of your own?
10-year-old daughter and 18-year-old son.
And are they your
Drug free, by the way.
good, good, I'm happy to hear that. Are they your motivation to try to get clean for the first time since you were 11 years old?
My daughter. I didn't want her to see me going through withdrawals.
So what are you asking the judge to do? You know that it's a big ask, but tell her, what are you asking her to do and why?
I'm asking her to help me get off this heroin. Maybe redeem myself for my family. To show the courtroom that I can be successful. Not fall into that trap of drug again.
And not only are you willing to go to an inpatient
I
rehab,
could prove to the judge that I could finish this and do it right.
then you'd still be on probation until 2031. You're gonna do
I
what you
could
need to
do it.
do
I could
on
do it.
probation?
I know I can, I had relapse. It was a big mistake and I accept it, the mistake is just, I do need help. That relapse could have led to worse than that. That's why I'm asking. Give me the help that I never got. Once able to get.
Is there anything else that you want to tell the judge before she makes her decision?
Well, I want to finish my probation to show her that I'm not a low life like in life.
Oh, I don't think of anybody as low life. I think that this courtroom is filled with people who made bad decisions
That's
and made
true.
bad choices, but I see everyone as a human being.
Well, I'm just tired of people seeing me as a low life. Even after the mistakes I made, I'm willing to I would like to redeem myself because when I took that oath to finish the probation,
Mhm.
when you first gave it to me, I took it seriously and I did it straight until I relapsed. You know what I'm saying? Excuse me. I did it all the way straight. Going to paying classes, the one I can. I never try to run. Even my probation officer said, wow, you actually came to report? Because usually when y'all come out, nobody's home. And I told them, no, well, I'm trying to go to Miss Boyd really that I could do this. Because you gave me the opportunity. So I wanted to prove the courts wrong that I wasn't a low life. No matter the mistakes I made.
All right, anything else?
Nothing further from my client, Your Honor, just brief argument.
State any questions?
Yes, Your Honor, just briefly, Mr. Acosta, was it the first time that you were placed on probation?
Yes, it's the first time I ever had probation. That's why I wanted to do the finishing concession.
So you have a history from 2006. You've never been on probation since?
Never. That's why that was the more of a ego. I wanted to finish it to show her that I could do it.
Did you ever ask for help from your probation officer when you were placed on probation? CSO Garza?
Yes, he was. This is what he told me when I asked him that if I could do. When I got out, I asked him, "Can I do all the classes one time?" He says, "You're crazy." He says, "You got 10 years. You have a lot of time to finish. Do one class at a time, but the more important one just would fit, because the judge was going to check on it." That's exactly what he told me.
So I left messages questioning everything. I got altercations with police officers over neighbor disputes, and I'll call right away. Hey, they told me to call whenever I have a problem, so I'm calling. What's going on? No, well, this and that. No, just, I even talked to officers. They're like, oh, you're right, you did the right thing. It's all right. I said, I don't want to be seen as a snitch, but I'm trying to do it the right way. Don't want to violate me right away. So, not until he told me he was getting what's it called, better job, which he did. I started to see he started less caring about my supervision until I got my new officer, and he did me a favor when he told me, you can go to all your classes through Zoom. You want to do that? And I said, yeah, I'll do that. Until I picked up these charges, the drugs that I got caught with. That's when everything, I didn't get to show that I could get it. But I was more than willing to do it.
With regard to the possession that you pled true to, how old is your daughter, did you say?
She's 10.
And you said that she's your motivation to change?
Yes,
she
I mean, she made me stop when I got out of prison in 2018. I didn't do nothing. I was trying to stay away from it until I got caught with drugs because we're having a custody dispute over my kids.
Was she there when you were arrested? Did she see you get arrested?
Yes,
She saw you got arrested.
yes, she was there.
Mr. Jose, were you also arrested on September 18th, 2022 for felon in possession of firearm? Were you arrested for that?
I was put over.
Hold on. Your Honor, we're gonna object just because the state waived and abandoned that allegation, so. We object to it being mentioned.
Your Honor, we're not asking to prove that he did that. We're just asking if he was arrested. Your
All
Honor,
right.
we're not trying to prove that allegation.
The objection is overruled.
Were you arrested on that day, Mr. Acosta?
Well, we got put over, and me and my spouse had an altercation.
Mr. Costa, I want you to listen to the questions and just answer what's being asked. So the question is whether or not you were arrested on that day
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
for that
ma'am.
offense.
Yes,
Who was with you when you were arrested?
ma'am. My daughter.
She was in the vehicle with you?
Mhm.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Briefly, Your Honor.
Yes,
In that case, the gun was not on your person, correct?
No,
You don't have to say where it was, but it was not on your person.
No, I didn't have it. It wasn't my business.
And there were other people in the vehicle with you.
Yes.
all right. Any other questions?
No further questions.
Any other follow-up questions?
No, Your Honor, just brief argument.
All right, are we doing the sign of the cross in front of the court?
Can I do that? I'm sorry, I apologize.
Well, I mean, here's the thing about that. I respect everybody's religion. I always want to learn more about religion.
That's guilty.
So I'm always, so I'm always interested in everybody's religion because I just want to be more knowledgeable.
It's good, wisdom, good.
So is that Catholic? What is that?
Christian, like newborn Christian, trying to change my life for God.
Okay.
Christian, like,
So Christian.
or I don't know if you're Baptist or.
Well, I
I
can
mean,
tell,
because one time I went to the African American church and they're African Americans and they're like, so they're like.
oh, well, let me just tell you,
But
here's
it was
the,
Baptist, and that's all like, am I in place or can I be here?
no, let me just tell you, church is supposed to be
But
open
she
to everyone.
welcomed me, she welcomed me, she's like, you're welcome, more than welcome.
We're known to welcome people.
And I
so-
love that, I like that, so.
I can say
it
that
was
because
an
I'm
easy-
black. So here's, you may not have noticed that, but here's the
I
thing.
apologize for that, miss.
There's no need to apologize, but here's the thing.
I'm reading that.
Let me just tell you a couple of things.
Okay,
You will find black people who are Baptists,
African.
Black people, well, you can say Black, African-American, Afro-American.
I
whatever you
learned
want to say.
that.
Okay,
So-
Judge, I am sorry, I need one at a time. I
One at a time.
apologize.
So anyway, you will find, if you want to say Black, if you want to say African-American, you will find us at different churches. There are some that are Catholic. I even went to a private Methodist school when I was growing up. There are some that are Baptists. There are some that are Episcopal. There are some that are, is the religion Muslim or Islam? There are some that are that. So you will find us in all types of religion. I will tell you, for those of us who may or may not be Baptists, because in this courtroom, there's a separation of church and state. Normally the sign of the cross is not done. You know, we let actions speak for themselves.
I understand.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm always interested to know everything about people, because then that will help me make a decision on whether or not to continue
Okay.
them or send them to prison. Well, thank you. I love receiving blessings wherever I can get them. Thank you.
You're appointed judge and should get there.
Okay. All right. So the state has already informed me what they're asking for based on his testimony. State, are you still requesting 10 and 20?
Yes, you are. We are, Your Honor.
All right. So defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, based on my client's testimony that he has been a drug user since the age of 11, we are asking this court to, I know that it's a very big ask based on what things look like on paper, but based on listening to Mr. Acosta, we'd ask that you reinstate him on probation, sentence or add alternate amend for inpatient drug treatment to let him for the first time try to get the drug treatment that he needs. He's 38 years old. He's been using since he was 11 years old. And he wants to change. He's never had the resources or the structure that an inpatient facility could provide. So we're asking the court to please have some mercy on him, send him to the inpatient rehab, give him the structure that he needs to hopefully succeed, stay clean, be clean, so that he could be there for his daughter, for his family. He's very close with a brother that has called our office and wants him to get help. I think that the court has lots of tools through the probation department that could give him the structure he needs. And when he gets out, I'd ask the court if you were amenable to continuing on probation to make him do regular drug tests, whatever it is that you need him to do to prove to you that he can be clean for the first time since he was in elementary school. 11 years old as a fifth grader, I believe. So that's what we're asking. And if the court is not inclined to continue him, that we do something, that you sentence him to something minimum, like 5 years in prison. But we really want him to get the drug treatment that he
I could feel it.
that he needs, that I think that's community needs. We need him to be clean so that he can, for his daughter and for his other family members and for himself.
All right, probation. What are you all requesting with Mr. Acosta?
Your Honor, I borrow one of my courts.
Oh, yes.
Your Honor, if it would help the court, his community supervision officer is actually present in the court.
Well, does anybody want to call the community supervision officer as a witness?
Yes, Your Honor. The state will call the Michael Cito.
He's trying to help me. He's really trying to help.
All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record, please.
Mike Seidel.
All right, and thank you so much for remaining in court and being present all day. All right, could you spell your last name for the record?
S as in Sam, E-I, D as in David, E-L.
All right, state.
Thank you. Mr. Cito, have you been working with Mr. Acosta?
Yes,
Yeah, okay. Is it your opinion to continue working with him?
my recommendation was for revocation.
And why is that?
Considering his criminal history and before the new offenses.
Do you have any reason to believe that an inpatient would help him, or he would be successful on probation if he attended the inpatient?
I'm not sure.
No further questions, Your Honor. I'll pass it.
Defense.
Because you were here for his testimony, correct?
Mhm.
And you heard that he's never been on probation, correct?
Mhm.
Okay. He's never been on probation.
I only know this case.
Okay. And did you hear him testify to the fact that he's never been to an inpatient drug treatment?
Mhm.
And also to the fact that he has been a drug user since the age of 11? Did you, oh, sorry, just for the court reporter to
Oh,
see us.
yes, sorry,
And that he's now 38 years old,
yes,
and he's struggled with various substances to include heroin, meth, crack.
yes.
Have you had other probationers benefit from inpatient drug treatment?
Yes,
Have you seen people receive inpatient drug treatment, get clean and sober?
yes,
Have you seen people who have been drug users from a very young age, like Mr. Acosta, be able to be successful with the structures of drug treatment?
so far, yes.
And are there tools that the probation department can offer him or offer any probationer after an inpatient drug treatment to maintain and monitor their sobriety?
Yes, there's aftercare, there's other programs in the community as well.
So there are lots of tools and options and resources at the discretion of the judge for after an inpatient stint.
Yes,
Thank you.
Any other questions?
Did Mr. Costa ever indicate to you that he wanted some sort of help, that he wanted help?
for
for
substance
for
use,
substance
no,
use? He never indicated that to you?
No.
Okay, and how long was he under supervision before the filing of the revocation?
I assumed the case, August 26th of 22. I had 2 visits with him
And he never asked for help from you?
for substance use.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Just briefly, one of his conditions was not inpatient treatment though, right?
No.
Originally, that was not ordered by the court.
No.
And he was trying to complete the conditions that had been ordered by the court.
He made attempts on some.
Thank you.
No other questions.
Any objection to the court asking a question?
Oh, no. go ahead.
With regards to his gang affiliation, was that ever addressed?
I believe the previous CSO ordered a gang check and there was, I don't, off the top of my head, I don't believe there was a finding. But I'm not 100% sure.
All right. Thank you. Any other questions from either side? Yes. Oh,
No, because he really did try to help me with those classes to sort them out all in one time through Zoom. Because I didn't, Mr. Dodger never told me that. So I was trying to do them individually, so it was.
all right, so here's the thing, Mr. Costa. The elephant in the room is not you doing a BIP class, although I wanted that done. I wanted parenting class done. The elephant in the room is your gang affiliation.
I don't know.
And, oh, so you just love San Antonio. That's why you have SA tattooed on your neck.
No, I don't, no, that's not, I don't have no gang affiliation. I've been off the gang for 34 years. I chose that.
So that was before.
Long time ago, yes.
All
I
right.
regret it. That's why I try to change for my daughter.
Mhm.
I didn't want her to see that.
So here's the thing. That's the big elephant in the room. And you know what the other elephant in the room is? The fact that your child was riding a vehicle with you and other people, and you're arrested for felon in possession of a weapon. That's another elephant in the room. You know what the other elephant in the room is? And it's getting very crowded with these elephants. The other elephant in the room is I know that I tell everybody who's placed on probation for me, if there's anything else that you need, let the court know. I tell everybody communication is key. If you feel like probation is not giving you something, come to court. I'm here Monday through Friday, and people will tell you I'm here Monday through Friday, usually till 6 p.m. working on things. So those are the elephants in the room.
I understand.
And can we clear those elephants out of the room? That's the question for you.
Yes, we can, and I would really appreciate it if I could have a direct line so I could just call you. And leave you all the messages that I left Mr. Garza questioning them.
That's why people come to court.
Oh, okay, I could.
And I will tell you that the court number to the courtroom, that's public information.
Oh, okay, because I would always call Mr. Garza, be like, hey, and there's even voicemails on there.
All right, do you want to grab the trial court certification? I don't think I have copies.
We don't have one here.
All right, thank you. Oh. And I'm sorry, I have a couple more questions for you. So the child you were talking about, who's the mother of that child?
Priscilla, right?
Priscilla what?
Right.
All right, Priscilla Morales. Were you having contact with her? Because how do you get to have visitations with your child?
My PO at the time, Garcia said I couldn't contact her unless she tried to contact me.
No. I have specifically written here, no contact with Priscilla.
And I asked him too, and he said, if she's trying to contact you for the kids, it's fine, but you can't go looking for her. That's exactly what he said.
No, they wouldn't have said that because I clearly have no contact. with
That's what he told me, but I kind of know that's why I never really. Had
So how did you get in contact with your daughter?
We'll meet up, my brother will do like a meetup. My brother will meet up, pick up my kids and then drop them off.
Okay.
I did ask Mr. Gardner that.
All right, so this is what the court is going to do if there's nothing else from either side.
Nothing further from the defense, Your Honor.
All right. And cause number 2020 CR 5581. I'm going to grant the motion. Find you guilty and revoke. If you would like, I can have you referred to the therapeutic community. It won't increase the length of time that you're in custody, but you can have treatment.
Safety.
No. Do you want that?
Yes. Yeah. Safety, right?
No, it's not safety. All right, so in cause number 2020 CR 5581, the court will sentence you to 10 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2021 CR 4194. And I'll ask for the therapeutic community. And cause number 2021 CR 4194. Court will grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 15 years, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2020 CR 5581. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's been no contact with Priscilla Morales. I'll give you credit for any time served at therapeutic community and there's affirmative finding of deadly weapon. I'm going to show you what's entitled in each of these cause numbers, what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, because there was no plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. And cause number 2000, well, in both cause numbers, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition because it's a felony conviction. And also in cause number 2021 CR 4194, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons because there's an affirmative finding of family violence. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you, Mr. Acosta.
I have a question.
Sure.
On the order, no contact order.
Mhm.
I'm just asking, so I'll be able to see my kids and thinking. If you could give me a no harm,
Here's the thing. Why would you want to see your children at the
because
penitentiary?
I'm still the father.
Yeah, but do you really want your children visiting you at the prison? They really shouldn't be visiting you at the prison.
Can you find a no harm contact order?
No, it's going to be no contact.
Uh,
I just personally don't believe that children should be visiting their parents at the prison at such a young age. Good luck to you. Thank you. All right. Just a moment. State. On these cases?
Your Honor, that's actually what I'm referring to.
Okay, all right, I'll let you all continue.
We'll go just a little. We're gonna probably. Until tomorrow. on it,
Sure.
And then we'll have a solution from our problem.
Thank you.
Most likely. Take care of it.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Left that out. Garcia Sanchez. Yes. All right, who's the person on Garcia Sanchez? And where is Garcia Sanchez? All right, so what's happening on this case?
Judge,
Because we need an interpreter. He is a Spanish speaker. Yeah, so we need an interpreter.
I can tell you.
Yeah, we need an interpreter. And do not leave if we're requesting an interpreter. Thank you. Who's here? I'm Jesus Reyes.
I am, yeah.
Yes.
Judge, I filed a motion to set bonds. I spoke to Mr. Escobar. We agreed on a $3,000 amount. It's currently remanded. I wanted to see if you would send.
Is he in custody?
No, Judge.
All right, I need to see him because he's remanded because he didn't show up before.
Okay.
So have him appear. And then the court will make a decision on that.
Okay. Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. Who's here? I'm Michael Kilgore. Who are you here for, Mr. Cox?
Adrian Harris.
Is that on the docket today?
No, judges, that's a walk up. Walk up.
Okay, just give me a second for the walk up.
It's all fine. We agreed on it.
Okay, just give me a moment. All right, who's here in Kilgore? She hasn't sent it yet? Yeah, no, it's not. All right, who's here on Blas Casimiro? All right. I'm sorry, who? All right, we're gonna go on the record. Court is calling 2023 CR 1288, State of Texas versus Blas Casimiro. Could I have the state announced on the record, please?
Jason Carahan, Your Honor.
All right, defense attorney is not here. It is 3:25 PM. The defendant has not made an appearance in court all morning. This hearing was scheduled at 9 AM. And we'll see if someone's in the hallway. Deputy Laura,
Yes, Your Honor.
and was Mr. Blas Casimiro outside
No, Your Honor, there's no one in the hallway.
state?
The state's requesting a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
All right, that'll be granted. He'll be remanded without bond. If he makes an appearance, then the court will reconsider. All right, Robert Garcia. And Deputy Laura, if you can, why do I not have the file on Robert Garcia?
Mr. Simpkins was here earlier looking for him.
Mhm.
This one and get him.
All right, thank you. All right, court is going to call 2023 CR 1291, State of Texas versus Robert Garcia. Can I have the state announced for the record?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Deputy Laura, could you see if Mr. Robert Garcia has made appearance in the hallway?
There's no one in the hallway. Your Honor.
All right, thank you. This hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 3:27 p.m. The defendant has not made an appearance. State,
State's requesting a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
Caroline, can you tell me if this is a PR bond?
Yes.
Or a bench warrant. No.
Okay. It is 2023 CR 1291.
It's a surety bond.
All right. The court will grant the request for a bond forfeiture. The defendant will be remanded without bond. If he makes an appearance, the court will reconsider. All right, Luis Silva. Did we already reset that? Luis Silva. All right, yes. All right, Ms. Ferguson on Luis Silva. We're gonna reset this for Thursday. Mr. Oltersdorf, that's when he said he would be able to make an appearance. Yes, Thursday. Third. All right, state, Luis Silva is going to be back on the 23rd.
Okay.
All right,
Your Honor, my approach.
yes, all right, thank you. All right, I see. Thank you. All right, Juan Garcia Sanchez. And we're not on the record. All right, your client needs to be in the center. You need to be over to this side, Mr. Leo. Yes. All right, so his plea deadline has expired. He's still requesting a jury trial. Is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. This needs to be placed on a jury trial ASAP, please.
Your Honor, I have a motion for continuance. Take that into consideration.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need this placed on the jury trial as quickly as possible. Yes. All right, what date? All right, we're gonna come back on March 28th. All right, your jury trial is gonna be on March 28th. The court. We'll see you at that time at 9 a.m. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll need to plead open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, and you all need to sign a discovery acknowledgement before you leave. All right, thank you. Thank you so much for coming down.
My pleasure, Judge. Thank you.
All right, who's here for Jessica Johnson? Caroline, is Jessica Johnson still listed as a fugitive?
Yes, she is. Judge.
All right, thank you. All right, and Kathy Magallanes. Is she listed as a fugitive on all of her cases?
Yes, Judge, she is.
All right, thank you.
Oh, Judge, I'm sorry, on the 48,
Mhm.
she's still on bond on that.
All right, is that a PR bond?
No, no.
All right. Could I see a prosecutor on Kathy Magallanes, please? Court is calling 2023 CR 1348, State of Texas versus Kathy Magallanes. Can I have the state announced for the record? All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. and it's now 3:34 p.m. Deputy Laura, was a Kathy Magallanes in the hall?
No, Your Honor, she's
All right, state.
the state moves here bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
All right, that'll be granted. She'll be remanded without bond. If she makes an appearance, the court will reconsider. David Robinson. All right, is he on bond? I think he is. All right, could I have a prosecutor? Court is calling 2021 CR 6601 and 2023 CR 1346, State of Texas versus David Robinson. Can I have announcements from the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. It is now 3:35 p.m. Deputy Laura, Deputy Mejia, is he in custody?
David Robinson.
No, Judge.
All right, state.
The state's requesting an offer, which the defendant has not shown one.
All right, that will be granted. If the defendant makes an appearance, the court will reconsider.
Thank you.
And that will be granted in each cause number. All right, who's here on Christopher Givens? All right, on Christopher Givens, I believe a warrant has already been issued.
Yes, it has.
Okay. Zargosa Tovar.
Ready.
All right, and then Mr. Cox, after that, you're up.
Judge,
Yes,
I think that's all family violence. So.
all right, thank you. All right, court is calling 2022 CR 9352, State of Texas versus Zargosa Ray Tovar. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense,
Deborah Scantenberg for the defendant.
are you Mr. Zargosa?
I'm
sorry, Mr. Zargosa Ray Tovar. I'm doing well. Thank you very much for asking. Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Tovar, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Judge.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, we're proceeding on count one, leaving counts 2 and 3. However, we did pick to amend the language of the of count 1 to strike the language and that Zaragoza Ray Tovar did use and exhibit a deadly weapon, namely a firearm during commission of.
All right, any objection?
We agreed to delete that language, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Tovar, do you understand that that is a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and did you understand with that substantive change, your attorney would have 10 days to prepare for trial?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of kidnapping? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargaining agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea, gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Tovar, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Very satisfied, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am. I
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. State opposes your application. They will take in consideration 2022 CR 7416, 2023 CR 130. I think there's a number missing.
We'll get it for you.
1300.
Yes.
County Clerk cause number 69831. There's an affirmative finding of family violence in both state and defense. Could you put in the counts that you're proceeding on? Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm aware.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
I did, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense of kidnapping, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, state seeks to admit states exhibit 1 and all those attachments.
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Your sentencing will take place on May 1st. The sentencing will be based upon any information I received through the PSI report and also any other evidence that's presented to me. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, is there need for top evaluation?
I don't think so, but like, I think the court should do it just because you always do.
Well, no, I mean, if you tell me there's no need for him, do you have drug issues, any of those type of issues?
Drug or alcohol?
No,
All right, any mental health issues?
No.
And I'm sorry, what were you going to say?
no, I was. Correct, Honor.
Okay, all right, then, yes,
Nothing. I was getting coffee on. I was gonna say, excuse me.
okay. All right, then, we'll schedule PSI probation,
May 1st, come back.
May 1st at 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Are you planning on having witnesses or no?
Letters from President letters to you.
All right, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See what they looked at. Thank you. On that big.
Yes, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And so, Caroline, is everything else done? Do you have anything left over?
No, no, we just.
Oh, we don't? Okay, why do I have Jesus Reyes? I have a Jesus Reyes Arizola. That file,
Oh, Judge, that was, it's on for the finance.
tomorrow. Okay, thank you. All right, then we'll be back tomorrow at 9 a.m. Cornelius Cox, come on up.
Yes.
Sure. All right, so on this case, it's a deferred adjudication, so she's entitled to a bond. But with regards to the agreement of a 30,000 bond, I need information about these new cases that are allegations in the motion. I don't have anything. So I don't know if the 30,000 is appropriate. If anybody wants me to review a police report, I'll review a police report.
I can pull that up, Judge. We've reached a match with the ag assault deadly weapon charge that she was set on. I can pull the police report.
All right, because Mr. Cox, I'm gonna need that, and we're also gonna have to, is your client in custody?
Yes,
All right, we're gonna need to have her brought over.
ma'am.
All right,
I've always, on some of the questions, if we agree. Here's some comments, we'll agree.
well, I mean, it depends on what it is. But on this one, there's some new allegations in the motion that are alleged to be violent offenses, and she's on deferred adjudication for a violent offense. And as you know, I don't take any of that as true. But so we'll get a reset on it, and we can put it down as quickly